Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, factors affecting price elasticity of demand. In the earlier video, we discussed what is price elasticity, what are the types of price elasticity, and we also discuss how to measure price elasticity with the help of percentage method. There are 5 types of price elasticity: perfectly elastic, relatively unitary elastic, relatively inelastic, and perfectly inelastic. To understand this topic, we need 2 types of elasticity. First, this is demand, this is price. Okay, here elasticity is greater than 1, elasticity is less than 1. So this is more elastic, this is less elastic. Okay. So here, this is the second type of price elasticity. Proportionate change in demand is greater than proportionate change in price. This is price, this is demand. Here, proportionate change in demand is less than proportionate change in price. So in simple words में हमको क्या कह सकते हैं, ये more elastic है, ये less elastic है. So we need these 2 types of elasticity to understand the topic. Now we will start. Factors affecting price elasticity. First, nature of commodity. Generally speaking, elasticity is generally less elastic for essential commodities. Food grains, vegetables, milk, edible oil. उसकी elasticity कैसे होगी? Less elastic. Proportionate change in demand is less than proportionate change in price. अगर प्राइस उसके बढ़ जाए तो हम उतना प्रोपोर्शन में अपना कंजम्पशन रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. सो देयरफॉर इलास्टिसिटी is generally less elastic for in case of essential commodities or necessity. On the other hand, for luxurious goods or for semi-luxurious goods, generally elasticity is more elastic. The demand for such product is more elastic. In short, demand for essential commodity is less elastic. Demand for luxurious commodity is less elastic. Okay, how we can make discrimination? At the same time, demand for producer's good is generally less elastic, and demand for consumer good is generally more elastic. Availability of substitute. Here, very important points should be noted, that the products whose substitutes are available in the market is generally more elastic. अगर कोई X प्रोडक्ट है, उसका Y सब्सटीट्यूट है, तो X की प्राइस अगर बढ़ जाए, इंक्रीज हो जाए, so it will be substituted by Y commodity. Suppose price of tea and coffee, Pepsi and Coca-Cola, Colgate and Close-Up, these are substitute of each other. So if changes in price of one product can influence demand for some other product, क्योंकि उसके सब्सटीट्यूट में प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है. So demand for such product is more elastic. On the other hand, the products whose substitutes are not available in the market or very less substitute, demand for such product is generally less elastic. For example, salt. Salt का क्या substitute है? So this kind of product elasticity कैसी होगी? Less elastic. Next, variety use of a commodity. When the product or service can be used for various uses, variety, it can be put in variety of uses, demand for such product is more elastic. Very good example given in the book. Okay, for example, electricity. Electricity is not only used for lighting purpose, for also cooking purpose, heating purpose or cooling purpose, many purposes. Okay, अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बिल कम हो जाए, उसका जो इलेक्ट्रिक बोर्ड है उस वो पर यूनिट चार्ज कम कर दे तो क्या होगा, इट कैन बी पुट इन यूज फॉर मैनी यूजेस. ओके, not only for lighting purpose but many other purposes which can be used. Okay, so demand for such product or service is less elastic. On the other hand, when demand for such product or service is solely more elastic, जैसे प्राइस चेंज होगी उसके डिमांड में चेंज होगा. On the other hand, when a product or service can be used in a single use or very limited use उसका हो, so such demand for such product is generally less elastic. For example, engine oil. Engine oil का एक ही जनरली यूज है, which cannot be used for other purposes. Okay, so demand for such product is less elastic. Next, postponement. There are some products whose consumption can be postponed for future. For example, consumer durables, बाइक, कार, टीवी, फ्रीज, एयर कंडीशनर एक्सेट्रा. अगर मुझे आज बाइक लेने की इच्छा हुई और मैं ना लूं और एक महीने बाद लूं तो इट विल नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. ओके, आई कैन पोस्टपोन माई बाइंग फॉर फ्यूचर. So demand for such product is generally more elastic. But there are some commodities whose consumption cannot be postponed for future. For example, fruit grains, vegetables, edible oil, milk, etc. अगर मुझे आज भूख लगी है और मैंने बोला कि मैं परचेस करूंगा और एक हफ्ते बाद खाना खाऊंगा, which cannot be postponed for future. So demand for the product whose consumption can be postponed for future, demand for such product is more elastic. और जिसका कंजम्पशन हम लोग फ्यूचर में पोस्टपोन नहीं कर सकते वो क्या है, लेस इलास्टिक. नेक्स्ट, proportion of income spent on a commodity. This is very very important. There are some commodities on which we are spending a very small proportion of our income. So demand for such commodity is either perfectly inelastic, whatever change in price there is no change in demand. Okay, or it is less elastic. For example, salt, matchbox, thread and needle. तो उसमें हम लोग कितना स्पेंड करते, very very small proportion of our total income. So demand for such commodity is generally inelastic, completely inelastic और लेस इलास्टिक. उसके प्राइस बढ़ने से घटने से कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. बट देर आर सम कमोडिटीज और सर्विसेज on which we are spending a very significant proportion of our income on their consumption. For example, car, more elastic. House, more elastic. Okay, so elasticity also depend on how much money you are spending on the consumption of a particular product or services. Income group, this is very very important. For different income groups, elasticity can be different for the same product. बराबर ध्यान से ये एग्जांपल देना कि फॉर सेम प्रोडक्ट इलास्टिसिटी कैन बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ऑफ सोसाइटी. हम लोग एग्जांपल लेते हैं, एक ही प्रोडक्ट है कार और X, Y और Z तीन पर्सन है. X is a very rich person, extremely rich person whose income is 5 crore per month. 5 crore per month, very rich. Y person is in upper middle class whose income is about 60,000 rupees per month. And Z person is living below poverty line and his income is only 3,000 rupees per month. तो क्या हो जाएगा? For X and Z, डिमांड फॉर कार के प्राइस में 50,000 बढ़ जाए, 50,000 कम हो जाए, 1,00,000 रुपया बढ़ जाए, 1,00,000 रुपया कम हो जाए, स्कीम अनाउंस हो, उससे X पर्सन और Z पर्सन को कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. बिकॉज X पर्सन की इनकम इतनी ज्यादा है और ज़ेड पर्सन को मालूम है कि ही इज नॉट एबल टू परचेज कार, द परचेजिंग ऑफ कार इज बियॉन्ड हिज कैपेसिटी, उसके लिमिट के बाहर, सो उसको कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं. सो डिमांड फॉर कार इज inelastic or less elastic for these two groups, but for why it is more elastic. प्राइस में चेंज हो जाए, उसके डिमांड में चेंज हो जाए, बिकॉज ही इज इन द मिडिल क्लास, अपर मिडिल क्लास. तो वो क्या दिखाएगा कि आई विल परचेज कार व्हेन मोर डिस्काउंट इज अवेलेबल, व्हेन ईएमआई उसकी जब कम होगी तो कोई फेस्टिव ऑफर चल रहा है तब आई विल परचेज, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो डिमांड फॉर कार इज मोर इलास्टिक फॉर एक्स वाई पर्सन. So for different groups of product, different groups of society, income elasticity is different for the same product. Last element of time. For short run, demand for most of product is less elastic because we are not able to get much information. In the long run, for many products, our elasticity is more elastic because we generally can gather more information, so we can purchase with the help of we have many alternatives, therefore demand for product is generally more elastic. So I am repeating, for essential commodity, for necessity, more elastic. For luxurious product, semi-luxurious products, I am repeating, for necessity, for basic goods, less elastic. For luxuries, more elastic. Substitute available, more elastic. Substitutes not available, less elastic. More uses, more elastic. Single use or less elastic. Can be postponed for future, more elastic. Cannot be postponed for future, less elastic. Influence of habit, वो रह गया. There are people who are generally influence of habit, like intoxication, addiction of particular product, tobacco, cigarettes, alcohol, liquor, etc. etc. उसको प्राइस बनने से वो क्या चेंज होने वाला नहीं. So demand for such commodity is generally less elastic or perfectly inelastic. Income on spend, very less income, less elastic or perfectly elastic. Significant amount of money on purchase, more elastic. Different groups and element of time. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.